What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. You're searching this video because you want to know how to get Hinge Premium for free, also known as Hinge X or Hinge Plus, whatever you want to call it, guys. I'm going to show you today how to do it. It takes a few minutes using simple promo codes, and this is going to save you a bunch of money. So how much is, so it's between, wow, okay, so Hinge Premium costs around $50 a month. Wow, that is expensive, guys. So anyway, let me show you today how to get free Hinge Premium. It takes around 5 minutes, and this is going to get you a 1 month free membership. So you've got to go to your mobile phone internet, use your mobile, go to this website, www.hotshotcodes.com. Hot Shot Codes, guys, the #1 coupon site. When you reach this web page, you're going to need to scroll down this page until you find the Hinge logo. So you can see I'm just scrolling down here, and there you go, Hinge promo codes, upgrade your account now. So I'm going to click on this and scroll down. You can see this has been rated 4.9 stars. There's a bit of information about it here. But this is what we're interested in, guys. This is a free Hinge Premium promo code. So click on show coupon code. Now you need to unlock your personal code. As I mentioned, this costs about $50 a month usually, so these codes are pretty valuable. So you need to unlock your personal Hinge promo code, and to do that, you tap unlock now. Now, I'm not going to run through the entire process. I've already got Hinge, and as you can see, these coupons are limited, so I don't want to use them up. But you're going to need to tap unlock now, and you're going to see a new screen. It's going to tell you exactly how to unlock your code. It takes about 5 minutes. You need to just verify yourself as a real person, complete a couple of these free tasks, super easy, and once you've done that, your code will be revealed, and then you can literally redeem it in the Hinge app or on the Hinge website in the redeem code section, and it's going to upgrade your existing account to 1 month free Hinge Premium. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button, and yeah, leave a comment below if you need any help. Go to hotshotcodes.com, search for the Hinge page, and yeah, enjoy. I'll see you next time. And of course, this works in 2024. I forgot to mention that, but yeah, enjoy.